extension option. Okay, here once again, click on this button, click on extension options. We are going to add language we would like to enter book details. Alphabetical order, we can see the languages arranged. For example, we want to search for Hindi. Hindi is here. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 keyboards there. 4 Hindi keyboards there. See here, Inscript keyboard. Inscript is a standard keyboard for regional languages. But if we want to use this keyboard, but we have to familiar with its key layout. Okay, that's difficulty for beginners. So this is transliteration method. Transliteration method means we can type in Roman letter, it will convert it into constant language. Okay, this is easy for beginners. Okay, select it. This one, every language has this transliteration method. I am going to select it. Okay, press there, click on this arrow button. Press there, click on the arrow button. This Hindi transliteration method selected. Okay, I want to add one more language. For example, Malayalam. See here, Malayalam has four types of keyboard layout. We have to select this transliteration method. Okay, press the arrow. How many, whatever maybe the how many languages, no limitation. We can available languages. We can add it into uh, the drawer and use it. No problem. Okay, we have added language. Then close the window. Okay, now ready to type regional languages, Malayalam and Hindi. Okay, how to enter input? Okay, Koha web interface. It can work with Chrome web browser. We can type it on any web interface. Okay, click on cataloging. Okay, we are going to open new data sheet to enter a sample record in regional languages. Okay, click on booklets workbooks.
আদিনো কি বুজাইছে একোৱে বুজি ওলাতে বগা চুলি কলা চুলি চলা
See here we are going to catalog this book, Premchand ki Anmol Kahaniya. Enter ISBN number. And classification number. I am not sure what the Hindi classification number. We can leave it. Then personal name. Personal name may be Hindi or English, no problem. Premchand. Okay, if you want to enter it in Hindi, choose this, click on this icon, click Hindi language. Prem, type of Prem. Chand. Premchand. Okay, then inside bracket, we can type English. Premchand. Someone searching for Premchand in English, it will come. In search result, it will come. Then title, Premchand ki Anmol Kahaniya. Okay. See, 245 title statement, we have to enter title in regional language as such. But in 246, varying form of title, we have to enter in Roman letter. Someone searching for this book in Roman letter, switch off. To switch off this typing in Hindi, click on turn off. Then type Prem Chand ki Anmol Kahaniyan. Okay. Then we can fill other details in either in Malayalam, sorry, Hindi or in other languages. Okay, then save the biblio. See remainder of title, it make mandatory, so it asks. Then no problem, proceed. Then accession number, add item. Okay, make a search in OPEC. Search a specific accession number, BC full colon H100. BC barcode full colon H100. See the details. See other title, Premchand ki Anmol Kahaniyan. This way we can add bibliographical details in regional languages. Okay. Any doubt regarding this, the installation of the input tool and usage? Okay. Next thing is how to manage multi-volume books. Multi-volume books, not like a book with the copies. It has a many more than one volume. Okay. For example, little difference with the normal book cataloging. We can manage multi-volume books. Click on cataloging. For example, of multi-volume book is Vivekananda Complete uh, Literature. It has about 12 volumes. Okay, start booklet workbooks. Okay, start with like any other book. Use ISBN. Only difference is that in general note we have to mention the complete volume names. Okay, enter other details, then give enter volume details in general note, that is in 500. For example, v.1, v.2, v.3, v.4, for example, and the volume titles we have to give. Addresses at the parliament. Okay, for example, volume 1 Karma Yoga, volume 2 Jnana Yoga, volume 3 Literature and Discourses, volume 4 Prose. Okay, this way we have to write down volume titles in 500 general note section. Okay, then save it. In item information, give other details. In H, serial enumeration chronology. Here we have to enter each item as a volume. We have to create volume, each volume as new items. Okay. See here, v.1. Then accession number. Then add multiple item for add. 4 items will create. Change serial enumeration chronology volume 1, 2, 3, 4. Volume 2. Otherwise, manually add 4 items as volumes. Volume 3, volume 4. One more thing we have to care, that is uh, book number. For example, 952 Vivekananda, here volume 1. Okay, if it's volume 2.2, volume 3.3, this way we have to manage volume number in book number section. Okay, save changes. Make a search in opaque. See the difference in item information. Volume information appear here. Volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, volume 4. Okay, then title notes. The user can see the detailed name of each volumes, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and other volume titles. In holdings, volume information will come. In title notes, volume titles will come. Once again, while cataloging, in biblio part, in biblio part 500 general note, mention volume titles. Volume 1, Karma Yoga, Volume 2, Jnana Yoga, Volume 3, Literature and Discourses, Volume 4, Books. Okay, then in item information, H952H, we have to mention the volume number. The detailed steps mentioned in my blog. This way we can manage multi-volume books. Okay, next thing is report module. Yesterday we have seen uh, Koha database contains hundreds of tables, which contains uh, various information regarding each module. For example, book details store in many tables. For example, biblio table contains biblio information. Item table contains item information like accession number, date of purchase, price, these things. Then biblio items, again one more table which contains another category of information regarding a book. Okay, then patron information storing, patron information storing, borrower table. This is the graphical interface of database structure. We use PHP myadmin. This is the Koha underscore library database name here. Uh, tables are very lengthy list of tables. If you want to check individual tables, make a search here, for example, borrowers. Here we can see the content. Suppose we want to change the content from database, you can click on edit button, make changes. See, we can make changes from here. Suppose account lines which contains fines. For example, uh, some mistakenly a fine came. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. From Koha interface, we cannot change anything. Once fine is done, we cannot change anything. From from the database, we can change it. This is a 14 rupees fine. We can change it to 10 rupees. Some mistake happened, we need to change it. Then click on go. This way it works. Anyway, we have to get a slight idea regarding how this data stored in the database. Koha of give a they have their separate website which give detailed information regarding the database structure. The site is, make a search in Google, Koha DB schema. Koha DB schema, Koha community database schema. Click on it. Here we can find all version list. Why they list out all the versions? Each version has a lot of changes, comes with a lot of changes. These changes also influence database structure. So database structure has a lot of changes in each version, lot of changes. So its structure has some differences. Suppose we installed Koha 20.05 and we want to know the database structure, click on Koha version 23.05. This is the structure. Click on tables. These are the list of tables. We can check a table called Biblio. See here, Biblio number. Biblio number is a universal key which connects each book details. For example, a book detail, a small portion stored in Biblio, item information stored in item table, some other elements stored in Biblio metadata table. But it's scattered in many tables. But using when we create a record, system assign a unique number to each book. That number is called the Biblio number. I will show here Biblio number. When we open the details of the book, we can see in the address bar, we can see the Biblion number of that book. Okay. See, this is the Biblion number 3948. Based on the order, this number create. When we create a catalog record first time, bibliography number will be first. Maybe accession number may be 100. Both, don't confuse. Bibliography number is system assigned a number. Using this number, Koha identify each book. Okay. Library professionals identify each book using accession number. Okay. System identify each book using uh, bibliography number. Okay. The same bibliography number, it connects information from other tables. See, this is the fields in bibliography table: author, title, medium, subtitle. Then how it connects to other tables. Then related columns. See, it has a connection between with two acquisition orders. Okay, when we place and suggestion, create a suggestion for purchase order, a biblia will create. At that time, system create a biblia number. The same biblia number, uh, it carry when we edit and other editing. I mean, when we edit and other make any changes, the biblia number will be same. Okay. Okay, next we jump to report module, how this report works. Anyway, time permits. After the class, you can just um, go through this Koha DB schema website and just check biblio table or borrower table. Okay, this is the report module. This is the interface of report module. Here we can see guided report. See here, use saved. Use saved means already saved reports. Okay, I'm going to click on use saved. This is some preloaded reports. I have added these reports. This is the ID, report ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then first report is accession register, which contains, which display entire list of the books available. I mean, entire book, a list of books available in the Koha database. In normal case, it is displayed not in proper order. Just we can see it in single screen. We can see limited entries. We can change it to 100 entries per page, and we have to scroll to see other segment of the report. See here barcode. Actually, barcode means accession number. The term barcode using to represent accession number, date accession, item call number, ISBN, author, title, pages, publisher code. These are the columns available with this report. Okay, then we will see how this report to create, how it works, what are the things running behind this report. Okay, here is a button edit. Click on edit. Here is the report name, and this is the important thing, that is SQL query. SQL query. This is the thing running behind every report. This is a language which requires the database to collect and display each element from various tables and display together. That's why we can see report in a table manner. I will tell you how it arranged. See the language, select. Select means select. The meaning is select. And what element to select? It says that items dot barcode. Items, it has to select and display barcode field from items table. Items dot barcode. Items is the table name, dot barcode, that is the field name inside that table. Then items dot date accession. Then items dot item call number. Then biblio items dot ISBN. Items ISBN number contains in a table called the biblio items. Biblio dot author. Author field contains in biblio table. So biblio dot author. See, each field name separated by comma. Okay. See here, all the names of the fields should be displayed in the report. Okay. Biblio.copyright date, biblio items.publisher code. See, a book's various details fetch from different tables. Okay. It arranged in this way, and also see here join together. Okay, it collects from various tables and join together to display together. That's the lines here. Left join biblio items on items dot biblio item number is equal to biblio items dot biblio item number. Okay, that's a common element, connects same record details available in different tables. Okay, then last, order by items dot barcode. Finally, should be arranged in accession number order, in ascending order, ascending or descending. If it's descending, E E S C. Okay, ascending ASC. As a librarian, we don't want to by heart, no need to by heart these things and don't learn about these things. Koha project arrange some mechanism, easy doing or easy create these reports. Okay, my attempt to us to just tell you how it works. What are the engine behind each report? That is SQL query. That is like a communication language. We can write down the instructions in that language, and it will collect information and display together. See once again. Okay, this is the accession register report. Suppose we want to download the report. Here is a download option on the top. Click on download button. We can download it in three format. One is open document spreadsheet. It can open with LibreOffice spreadsheet. This one .csv file. It can open with any web spreadsheet software like Excel, LibreOffice. No limitation required. It's an open format. Okay, I'm going to click on it. It will download the report result. I am going to click on it. It will open. Then click on OK. If you want to sort, okay, then click select all and leave this first column. Then we can sort it, data, sort. Okay, based on accession number, we can sort it ascending order. See here, the report arranged in accession number based order. Okay, in proper manner. We can format it, we can print it, no problem. It's very convenient and a very flexible report. Okay. See, the report module help us to generate report and display report. The saved reports available in use saved. Once we save the report, it will available in, it will list out in use saved report. Same like various reports based on various modules. We can see here accounts report, acquisition report, catalog report. Okay, we can categorize it. Um, okay, don't worry about report generation. Koha give a library or website which we can find hundreds of SQL query, ready-made query available. Suppose we want a report, a new report. We can search there, we can find the SQL query of that report, just to copy it and paste here. And one more thing, suppose we have a report, we want to make changes. It's also possible. For example, saved reports, use saved. Suppose the accession register report, one element you have to remove it. See, we are going to run the report. Suppose we want to remove this date accession column, we have to remove it. How to do it? Okay, edit, click on edit button. See, items dot date accession is the uh, field which represent this column, date accession. If we want to remove it, just select it and remove this column too. Okay, each element separated by column. Okay, remove it, then save it or update. Then refresh it. See here, the column date accession disappeared. This way we can manage it, or if we want to make any changes, we can do it. Okay, next thing is how to create a new report. The report module front page. Report module front page. Click on create from SQL. See here, title box field came, then SQL query box came. We have to fill SQL query. Don't worry about it. We can find ready-made SQL reports available in this website. Just click on it. Koha Report Library. Koha Report Library. Click on it. It will open in another page. See here, it opened. Catalog related reports. We land on catalog related reports and see here pattern report, circulation report, accounting report. Okay, just check accounting report. We want to prepare some reports on overdue fines, persons with the overdue and fines. Click on that. Okay. We want to see total patrons with the fine. Okay, click on the link. This is the report details, patrons with the fine. Once again, the list we can find, click on it, pattern with the fines. This is the SQL query, just copy it. See the name, patterns with the fine, who return it. Developer Catherine Fisher is the developer of Koha. Anybody can uh, deposit SQL query of reports here. Suppose I have created a innovative report to visualize something, I can post here. Others can use it. Okay, first copy the title.
Question అడిగారు whether such initiatives should be organized in the coming future or not. Please give reason. While such initiatives, దీని మీద feedback. Whether such initiatives should be organized in the coming future or not.
Copy the SQL query.
Because technology is improving, right? For every time they have to conduct.
Copy the SQL query.
ఇప్పుడు చూడు.
Paste it in the SQL box.
About any other comments?
Actually, this report belong to accounting report, report group, accounts. Easy to manage, find it later. Report name, report group, then paste the SQL query and paste, copy the SQL query and paste here and save report. Then run report. Not working because this query may be written for the very old version of Koha database schema or structure changed recently. We are using latest version, but it does not work. Anyway, we can apply another query. Okay, select the library, run the report. Not working. Okay. Okay, here is a report. New patterns by category by at branch. Here we can attach calendar. No need to type manually. Run the report. See here, new patterns by category at a branch. A particular month, how many pattern added? 292. This way report works. Anyway, we can depend on SQL report library to get SQL query and use it for any kind of purpose, whatever may be the purpose, we can find give a name for the report, then pattern group, then put the SQL query here, then run it, it will work. Okay, we can take a break for 10 minutes. 8:20, we can return here. Okay, next we will see serials module. Serials module deals with managing subscription and we can also manage bound volumes of old periodicals. Okay, serials module. Okay, start with the serials module. First, we have to create a biblia for the journal. Okay, same like catalog a book, we have to create a catalog record of the journal. Okay, click on catalog. Click on catalog, click on new record. Click on new record, choose the framework, book, booklet, and a workbook. Okay, our aim is that create a biblia for the journal. For example, ISSN number first. We are going to catalog Harvard Business Review. Harvard Business Review. Its ISSN number is then call number 658 management. Then personal name we can leave title Harvard Business Review. Okay, Harvard Business Review. Then other things we can leave. We can add name of publisher, Harvard Business Publishing. Harvard Business Publishing. Then place of publication, Boston, I think, Brighton, Massachusetts. Okay, for ISSN number, class number, the title of the journal, name of the publisher, then keyword, topical term, management. Then item type, periodicals. Okay, it's a journal. Wait for a moment. Okay, first create a biblio record, enter the minimal details. Okay, then we can save the record. No need to create an item information. Okay, we are not going to enter the accession number or anything. Okay, biblio created. click on normal button. Next thing is we can add a cover page of the journal. The design of each issue, a similar design to identify user while searching. We can download a cover page and upload here a representational cover page of Harvard Business Review. Okay, download a cover page. Yes, download. Okay, from here, upload it. Images. This is the biblio details. Images. Upload it. Click drop file here to select the file. Process. See here, cover page, local cover page we have added. Here, Christmas Carol is going, so too much loud, too much noisy here. Okay, Biblia item created. Next, we are going to serials module. Next, we are going to serial module to create a subscription. Okay, here serial module. Here the option new subscription. Here first is a vendor. Suppose we subscribe this journal through a vendor, we can add that vendor. To creation of vendor, we will see in acquisition module. Okay, second is we have to search and find the catalog record of Harvard Business Review. Here, search for record. Okay, search and find the Harvard Business Review catalog record. Click on search for record. Okay, give the name Harvard Business Review. Okay, give a partial name of the title. Then filter periodicals, then search. See the search result. It will list Harvard Business Review. Click on choose. We have successfully added the record Harvard Business Review into serials module. This is the biblio number. Biblio number, the number assigned to Harvard Business Review by Koha. Okay, once again, search for record. Search for Harvard Business Review. Then choose. Next is, when receiving this serial, what to do? Certain libraries assign some accession number for each issue. For example, British Library, they circulate among all issue of periodicals among users for home reading. Here, most of the libraries do not follow that system. So we can choose do not create an item record. When there is an irregular issue, keep issue number. Okay, that's not a matter. Then call number 658. Management. Then library, main library. Public note, we can mention here. Suppose this subscription ceased in a particular year. For example, subscription. Non-public note, like we can give the check number, DD number. Patron notification. Suppose in certain institutions, uh, so many readers of this journal, when a new issue arrive, whether we have to inform them. The readers of this journal. Around party. We can receive. Okay, call number, public note, something to inform regarding this journal to the users through OPAC. Non-public note regarding some subscription details or financial details. Patron notification. People interested in this journal to read, we can create a patron notification. When a new issue arrive, it will inform them. We can create a list of users. Okay, location, general stack where this it locate. Next is very important, grace period. Every year, six issues uh, released by Harvard Business Review. Every 2 months, there is a new issue will come. Okay, so subscription period is twice in one issue in a 2 months. So grace period means half of the frequency is the grace period. For example, 30 days. 60 days is the frequency. Half of the 60 days, the 30 is the grace period. What's the purpose of this grace period? For example, to calculate the availability or status of the newly arrived issue. For example, this month, December 1st, there is a new issue arrived, and after 30 days, for example, January 1st, um, after 30 days, it will began to waiting for the next issue. Okay. Again, after 13 days, it may come. Okay. It expected, it arrived. Suppose it's not arrived on time, Koha will calculate it as very late. And after that, the user can send some reminder to the publisher. For this purpose, grace period we have to give. Half of the frequency of the journal is grace period. Suppose it's a monthly, 30 days the frequency, we can mention 15 days grace period. Here, 60 days is the frequency, we can give 30 days frequency is the grace period. Number of issues to display to the staff client. For example, suppose someone searching for Harvard Business Review on the OPAC, how many issues details on the front row. Okay, here 6 issues will display there. Number of issues to the public 6. Okay, first latest 6 issues details will be on the front. The previous issues details will be on the back. Okay, then click on next. Actually, this process we start when we receive the first issue of the journal. For example, we have renewed the journal, or we are going to start the journal new. The first issue arrived. We will create a subscription from Koha for Harvard Business Review. Okay, second stage, first issue of publication date, for example, uh, January 2023 first. Okay, then frequency 1 per 2 months. Many frequency is visible here, 1 per 2 months. Then subscription length, 6 issues we will receive in an year. Subscription start date. Actually, we start the subscription at January 2023. The first issue received the same month, first issue publication date. End date 31st December. Then numbering pattern, volume number. Maybe volume issue, we can also consider this one, numbering pattern, volume number. Then local. Local means in which language this periodical arrive. English. Okay, first publication date, frequency, how many issues we receive in an year, subscription start date, end date. Okay. Then what's the volume number when we start the first issue? For example, here 50 is the volume number, 1 is the issue number. Okay. Volume number 50, issue number first. Okay, when we start the subscription, this is the first volume, first issue. Then inner counter means, see, to calculate Koha, the next volume, how many issues has to receive. For example, here, 6 issues as inner counter. After receiving 6 issues, the volume number automatically changed to 51. Okay, for that purpose, we have to give inner counter. Okay, then click on save subscription. No. Test prediction. Test prediction means based on that, this is the pattern of volume issue we will receive in 2023. Save subscription. Okay, subscription saved. Okay, next stage is we are going to receive the first issue. Okay, click on receive button. Receive the first, we are going to receive the first issue. See here, now December, we can also receive. See here, expected, status is expected to arrive. And note section is there. The purpose of note section is that, suppose HBR has some thematic issues. I mean, thematic issues every release, branding special issue. We can mention there. That will be helpful for the users who like to read it. Okay, then volume 50, number 1, status change to arrived. It's a multi-volume. See here, multi-receiving, 6 volume arrived. Click OK. Either 1 or 6 volume we can receive. Single or multi-volume we can receive. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then search in OPAC, Harvard Business Review. See, the first 6 issue details on the front page. Status is arrived. Okay. Here, jacket here, title of the journal, volume issue details here. This way we can create subscription and receive each issues. Okay, see here, uh, December 2023, its subscription expired. We can renew it. Okay, click on renew. Start date 2000 January 2024. First. Okay. After renewal, we can make changes in Koha. This way we can create subscription. And one more thing we have to cover, that is how to manage bound volumes with each subscription. For that, we have to create an item type bound volume from Koha administration. Okay, Koha administration, create bound volume. Create a new item type bound volume. Item type code bound volume BV. Parent item type reference book. Description bound volume. Okay, give an icon. Create an item type bound volume. Parent item type reference. Description bound volume. Then not for long. Then save changes. Okay, next is we have to add bound volumes as item information. Search Harvard Business Review. Search for the record Harvard Business Review. Okay, Biblio came. Click on edit items. We will add an item for bound volume. See here, date acquired. Then serial enumeration chronology, where we can mention volume 45, issue 1 to 6. Okay, in this bound volume, this much volume and issue which bound together. Then accession number HBR 1. That's the difference. Serial enumeration chronology, we will give volume and issue information in a bound volume. Then add item. Then one more item. Volume 46, 1 to 6, HBR 2. And one more thing, we have to change the item type to bound volume. Okay, check in OPAC, Harvard Business Review, just refresh. See here, volume, issue, received information, and in holding tab, click here, see the bound volume details. Okay, in holding tab, see there, bound volume details. This way, we can manage bound volumes with the serial subscription in Koha. And this step, serial management step, mentioned in detail, step-by-step way. The manual I have shared with you. Serials management, 59 pages. It's available. See the entire step we have mentioned here. You can follow and try to create a subscription. Next day, actually, the second day we have elaborated a lot regarding cloud and cloud, Koha on cloud. But we actually 2 hours spent for that, so we could not cover other things due to that. So we can arrange one more day to complete other sections like acquisition module, OPAC customization, these things. 26th, 26th, 7 p.m. we can meet again and cover other things and finish the training. Okay. 26th, 7 p.m. we will meet again and cover other things and finish the training. Have a nice evening.
Thank you, sir. আৰু এদিন ল'ব যে নটাই বাজিলে